Imagine sitting on the beach, your tablet in hand, and your business running automatically. No warehouse, no boxes. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the world of dropshipping. Today, I'll show you how to start your own business without having to touch a single box yourself. Stay tuned, and maybe you'll soon build your own successful online business. Simple, efficient, and with lots of fun. Let's get started. What is dropshipping? So, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever buying or stocking them yourself. Doesn't that sound like every smart entrepreneur's dream? You list products in your online shop, and when someone orders, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. So you're basically the middleman, without renting a warehouse, making large investments in inventory, or stacking shipping boxes. Imagine you're selling stylish sunglasses, but instead of filling your living room with boxes of sunglasses, you leave all that to your supplier. Your job? Just market cleverly and take the orders. So the great thing about dropshipping is that you can completely outsource warehousing and shipping to your suppliers, saving you a lot of time, cost, and effort. How to find a winning product. To be successful, you need to find a product that sells well, a so-called winning product. Use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to browse bestseller categories and find products with great potential. These tools provide you with important data on sales figures, search volume, and competition analysis. A winning product should have high demand but not too much competition. It could be a multifunctional laptop stand solution, an innovative kitchen gadget, or a stylish fitness item. Also, make sure the product solves a problem or offers a specific benefit. Finding suppliers and working with them. The next step is to find suppliers. Websites like AliExpress or Oberlo can help you find reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping. It's important to check reviews beforehand and test some products yourself to make sure the quality is good and your customers won't get any nasty surprises. Tools like Spocket or SaleWho are also helpful for finding suppliers who can deliver faster and provide higher quality products. Communication is key here. A good supplier can make the difference between success and failure. Make sure to ask important questions, such as delivery times, return policies, and quality controls. Clear communication with the supplier is crucial to ensure that everything runs smoothly and the delivery arrives on time for the customer. And hey, if your supplier responds faster than your best friend, then you've definitely found the right one. Building an online shop. Now that we know which products sell well and how to find the right suppliers, the next step is to build your own shop. The best option for dropshipping is Shopify. Shopify offers you many tools to easily create and manage your shop. There are also many integrations for suppliers, so order processing can be automated. Shopify allows you to set up your shop quickly and provides a user-friendly interface, ideal for getting started with dropshipping. Marketing and sales. Now for the most exciting part, marketing. Use social media to get your product noticed. Create cool videos. Show your product in action. Let people know why they need it. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads are great for reaching a large audience and finding the right customers. TikTok is especially useful for reaching a young audience with creative, short videos and leveraging viral trends. Tools like Canva help you create appealing marketing images, while platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite allow you to schedule your social media posts. Also, define your target audience precisely before launching ads, and use analytics tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or TikTok Analytics to make sure you're reaching the right customers. Now you can start your business and start making money. As soon as an order comes in, you contact your supplier, provide the shipping address, and handle the payment. The product is then shipped directly from the supplier to your customer. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a vision, an idea that enriches your customers' lives. And with a little creativity, you can take your dropshipping business to the next level. And that's it, dropshipping in a nutshell. Start now and grow your business. Good luck building your own online business. And remember, no boxes, no problems. If you're curious and want to learn more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more tips. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and see you next time.